Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a powerful tool for anyone looking to simplify their trading experience on Deriv. We're looking at PivotCore.net, an advanced auto trading platform designed to take the emotion out of the markets. If you've been looking for a way to automate your strategies without needing complex coding skills, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to demonstrate a specific setup using the even-odd strategy and show you exactly how the platform handles live market data to execute trades with precision. Before we hit start, let's talk about the plan. Successful trading isn't about winning every single time, it's about disciplined targets. For this session, my goal is to run 10 trades with a target of 5 wins. Setting a 50% win rate target on an even-odd contract is a realistic way to test the bot's consistency and the platform's execution speed. On PivotCore, setting these parameters is incredibly simple. You just define your stake, your target, and let the algorithm do the heavy lifting. This allows you to stay focused on the bigger picture rather than stressing over every single tick. What makes PivotCore stand out for Deriv users is its seamless integration and user-friendly interface. As you can see on the screen, the dashboard provides real-time updates. It's built for speed, which is crucial when you're trading digits. The beauty of auto trading here is the consistency. Humans get tired or impulsive, but the bot follows the rules you set every single time. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting your journey with Deriv, having a reliable platform like this gives you a significant edge in managing your portfolio effectively. Now let's watch the bot in action. Notice how it analyzes the last digit patterns before entering a trade. We're aiming for those 5 wins. By automating this, we eliminate the delay that happens when trading manually. As the trades come in, you can see the transparency of the platform. Every win and loss is logged instantly. This level of clarity is why more traders are moving toward PivotCore for their daily sessions. It's about working smarter, not harder. And there we have it. Our 10-trade session is complete. By reaching our target, we've shown how a disciplined approach combined with the right technology can make a world of difference. If you're ready to level up your Deriv trading and explore the world of automation, I highly recommend checking out PivotCore.net. It's fast, reliable, and built for traders who value their time. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more automated trading strategies. Click the link in the description to get started today.